What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are back here at Toycarz. Now, as you can see right behind me, we have this gorgeous looking Evora S. This is not just any Evora S. This is a custom built specially for someone, which I'll show you later. There's a side plaque back there where the driver's seat is. I love the red interior, man. It's a white unit, and this is the Evora S IPS, so it has the intelligent precision shift. Gorgeous looking car, automatic V6. Now let us start off with the front of the car, guys, with the gorgeous lights that we have right here. So black housing on the inside part right here. Love the top finish in this black. Got some chrome opening right there with some light that shines out. You got your Lotus wording right there in this sort of chrome sort of finish. These ones will actually blink, your signal turn indicator. And you got your Lotus badging right here with the green and the yellow ACBC with the Lotus curved classic way of how the badge used to look like. You also get this amazing opening that we have right here with this mashed out grille for the front. Love these dark finishes, especially when the car is white, right? So you get these black finishes here and there. There's a lot of contra going on with the car. Amazing. So for the bottom piece right here, you got this mashed out front grille, very nicely done. You got your number plate that goes right there, and also down here you got this joint sort of lip towards the front bumper. So this is the whole bumper, right? And then you got this sort of like extension that goes right down here to make it seem like it's a extended lip. But yeah, very nice. Down here you got this additional mesh grille, looking damn cool also as well. Love how the front of the car looks. Now, red interior goes super cool when you have red wheels on it. So this is a multi-spoke red custom wheel also. And you're looking at Michelin tires that's on the car right now. Tire size is 235/35 R19. Drill disc brakes on the inside. You got your Lotus brake calipers that we have right there. You got some nice Lotus wording right there. And also the badging is yellow and green, so damn cool. You got your Evora wording right there for the side turn indicators. It's kind of nice. Love the black side mirror, doesn't go with the body color. So you know this contrast stuff that's happening with the car. Damn cool. Very nice indeed. So for the mirror part is that. Now you do have your door that looks like this. Let me just close it to show it to you guys how it looks like. So for the side, you got this side sort of like skirting. Love how the way the airflow just goes all the way in, comes back all the way out. This design is so clean and nice. Of course, you got to protect the side right here because there'll be stuff that'll be flying off from the front wheel, right? So you don't want it to damage most of the part. But most important thing is you got to get the whole car PPF, guys, because classic car like this, you got to protect it. It's not easy to get this thing sorted, but yeah, you got your opening right here, air intake happening right there. Cool. You have the red interior, gorgeous finish. Love the red finish happening all over the place. Some suede Alcantara finishes on the inside part of the door handle where you open up. Aircon adjustments, of course, the airflow comes out through there, goes in through here, comes out through there. You have your speaker system right down there. And of course, you got your handle right here to hold, to pull, to close the door. And of course, your window adjustments up and down. So kind of cool. You got the Lotus side plaque right here with the British flag, because this car is a UK brand. And of course, I believe this is imported from UK perhaps. And yeah, very cool looking car. Love that Lotus badging right there on the carpet also as well. And this is a 2+2, right? So you get to get two people sitting at the back. Of course, the seat you can drag it forward, and then you can sit two people right at the rear. Damn cool. Love the Lotus badging right there on the headrest. Seat belts are in black. You got your 12-volt socket to charge. Love the Alcantara suede roof lining, man. Damn cool. The black and the red, the contra is there. Seat belts are in black. Let's push this back and take a look, guys. Interior, fantastic. Fantastic appearance for a car like this. So yeah, that's kind of nice. So for the wheels, let's not forget Michelin tires is what they're using. Okay, sorry about that, someone's car was a bit noisy, but yeah, Michelin tires is what they're using, and 285/30 R20. So that's the wheel size for the back, the tire size as well. Drill disc brakes, Lotus brake calipers in black, and you got your Lotus badging right there in yellow and green. Very nice. So for the rear engine, of course, you get your engine located right over there, and this is a V6. You do get your some sort of carbon fiber cover right there, damn cool. And 50 kg weight load, says right here. You can keep 50 kg of weight for the back. So kind of cool. Love the Lotus wording right there for the rear. And close this back down and take a look at the number plate that goes right there also as well. And you get your rear diffuser that looks amazingly stunning like this. Center exhaust, but there's two right here. Damn cool. So brake lights right there. One of these should be your reverse lights right here, and of course you got another brake light right here. So this is an amazing wing sort of like design where airflow from the top goes all the way down, goes right underneath, comes all the way back out to the center. So amazing looking Evora. Petrol tank goes right there. You got some how to say this, some cooling sort of like mashed up grill for the top right here, so the engine cools faster. Got your gorgeous looking door once again right here for the driver. Side mirror adjustment, window adjustment, compartment storage, handle to hold to pull to close the door. Lotus once again, and as I mentioned, you get this side plaque right here. Now as you can see, it says Lotus Evora S, so it's intelligent precision shift, especially designed for Yen. So this is someone that got this car previously. And then Danny Bahar, CEO Group Lotus, signed this plaque. So that's kind of cool, man. And of course my favorite part, 7 Formula 1, 7-time world champions for Formula 1 Constructors Championship. Damn nice. So you got your brake pedals and accelerator pedals right there as well. Amazing. So beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. So you got your Lotus badging once again. And gorgeous looking steering wheel. So as I mentioned guys, steering wheel is super sleek with the carbon fiber finishing right here and right here. Of course this will be your cruise control settings for the speed and whatnot, and of course that is perhaps to activate it or speed limit or things like that. You got your wiper adjustments on this side, you have your signal indicators on that side, and of course you get your lightings for your car on this side together with the petrol cap to open up. Traction control key insertion is right there as well. You have the automatic transmission right down there. Super cool, right? Drive, reverse, park, neutral, and of course the climate control settings for you to adjust, and of course the air circulation right there in the center. And of course accelerator, pedals, and the brake, my favorite. Damn cool. Your USB-A connectivities to charge your phone. Damn nice. Seats are in this bucket sort of seating position. Damn cool. Very nice and very sporty feel. Love the Evora guys, especially if it's a white color like this. You get the contra finishing here and there. The roof lining also, you get this very nice lines that are on top of it to make it look sporty. Blends in with the front also as very well, with the lines right here. It's just a super gorgeous looking car guys. Damn. Let me close the door and show you guys how it looks like, right? So you guys get to see one more time again how it looks. Take one more look around guys. Okay, so from the front, once again, doors all closed. Car looks superb. Fantastic looking piece of art. Check that out. If ever you need to purchase this car, check out the description below and get in touch with the person in charge, and you'll be able to come over, take a look at this, and perhaps drive it back home. Amazing looking piece of art guys. So that is it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, just do give it a like, and yeah, hopefully this car could be in your hands very soon, thanks to Toycarz. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.